Yay! Good morning, crafties! Today's a rainy day in Finland. Today we're going to learn how to draw a simple abstract rose illustration and make a little arrangement for cards and quote art in the end. Let's get started. For this tutorial, I'm using a Faber-Castell artist pen. Now this time in fine. The pen comes in this set. It's a set of 4 pens. It's small, fine, medium and a brush pen. And I recommend these small packs because here you got everything you need for doodle art. And the quality of the pens are fantastic, so you don't have to use this pen. It's just my favorite, so I always recommend them. And the paper I'm using is the Faber-Castell sketch pad. It's suitable for graphite, watercolor and yeah, it's a multi-purpose paper. And it's quite thick, so if you draw your masterpiece, you can keep it and frame it. Let's get started. For this tutorial, I'm using a Faber-Castell artist pen. Now this time in fine. The pen comes in this set. It's a set of 4 pens. It's small, fine, medium and a brush pen. And I recommend these small packs because here you got everything you need for doodle art. And the quality of the pens are fantastic, so you don't have to use this pen. It's just my favorite, so I always recommend them. And the paper I'm using is the Faber-Castell sketch pad. It's suitable for graphite, watercolor and yeah, it's a multi-purpose paper. And it's quite thick, so if you draw your masterpiece, you can keep it and frame it. So don't be frightened, this is very easy, I promise you. The only thing you have to do to draw a very cute rose is to make a little swirl. Like this. It does not need to be perfect at all. So, and then you have to do a little bend from the edges of the swirl. You see where I'm getting at? And now you just add a stem to it. And maybe a branch or a foliage, or leaf maybe it's called, I don't know with my Finnish English, I'm so sorry for that, but I'm Finnish, so, oh, Swedish speaking Finnish, but anyway, so this is me. So, ta-da! You see how simple it is. You never have to be afraid of roses anymore. So, with a little bit of practice, I'm sure you're going to rock this rose. So, if you like this tutorial, please give me a thumbs up. Please let me know in the comments what you think about this rose. And do you have any ideas or tips on how to draw easy roses? So please let us know. And now we're going to do a super simple rose arrangement that is perfect for cards or quote art and stuff like that. You know I love those things. So to make it easy for yourself, you can start out with making a little sketch so you know where to draw. And this little arrangement will be in a square. So I start out by drawing a square. This is just a guideline, so don't push the paper too hard. We're going to remove this underlaying sketch when we are finished. So in the middle here, your sentiment or your quote will go. So keep this in the middle clear. Now I show you what I have in mind. you can also make a marking in the middle of the square like that, if you want a reference. Maybe you see where I'm going now. And then you just turn the paper around. Like this. And now we take the magic art eraser or kneading eraser. You will see this over and over again on my channel. So get used to it. And now you carefully do not rub or press hard. Just let the eraser touch the paper. You don't need to push this. This is the great thing. It disappears like magic. And now you can draw your little sentiment here. And if you want to connect making it a square, you can always just do little dots. Voila! I think this looks so cute, don't you? Yay! I hope you enjoyed this short tutorial. And with a little bit of practice, you will master the art of rose illustrations, I promise you. And remember, you always do it your way, because doodle art is fun art and you do it with your personality. Please remember to sign up for my newsletter. You find a link below in the description, and you will get updates on my upcoming premium courses. Grab a 20% off coupon code in my shop and lots of more fun. So see you there in my email list. Goodbye!